Hello friends, welcome back to Jobs Internships Wale. In this video, I'm going to talk about Microsoft Azure Fundamentals AZ900 certification. In this video, I'm going to give you complete details about the exam, retake policy, cancellation policy, also some learning resources and preparation guide that will surely help you to complete this certification in just 1 week. So before we move ahead, I would like you to like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and also press the bell icon so you will get notified as soon as I post a new video. So let's get started. First, we will talk about the AZ900 exam details. The exam name is Microsoft Azure Fundamentals AZ900. Technology is Microsoft Azure, and the best thing is that there are no prerequisites. If you are from another domain, from mechanical or any other industry other than IT, then you can also take the certification. There is no prerequisite for this. Exam cost is 99 US dollars if you are outside of India. If you are proctoring this exam in India, then it will be 3696 INR. Total number of questions will vary from 40 to 60. In my exam, I get 42 questions. One of my friends got 48 questions. So the number of questions will vary from 40 to 60. Passing score is 700. So if you want to complete the certification, you need to score at least 700. I had scored 820 in my certification exam, and the exam duration is 80 minutes. And guys, there is a catch. The 80 minutes are for total exam, like reading the questions and reading the guidelines and other stuff. So for answering your questions, you will only get 60 minutes. So keep that in mind. Let's move on to the topic covered. These are the topic that will be covered, and they are the percentages assigned to that topic. So you will get 20 to 25% questions from cloud concepts, 15 to 20% from core Azure services, 10 to 15 from core solution and management tools and Azure, 10 to 15% on general security and network security features, 20 to 25% on identity governance, privacy and compliance features, 10 to 15% from Azure cost management and service level agreements. So guys, the top three level are basically easy, like cloud concept and core Azure services and core solution and management tools are pretty easy. You can easily score, I think, 100 out of 100 in these topics. So the last three, general security, identity governance and Azure cost managements, are really I won't say difficult, but they are difficult than the other three. So you need to practice more in the last three. I will show you my report card at the end so you will understand a bit better. Let's move on to the retake policy. So if you are not able to clear the exam in the first time, then you can retake this exam 24 hours later. And if you won't able to clear the exam for the second time, then you need to wait at least for the 14 days to retake the exam third time. And I don't think that will be required because it is a pretty easy certification. You will be clearing this in the first attempt. So according to this, you can only retake this exam 5 times a year. So let's move ahead for the exam cancellation policy. In case you plan to cancel or reschedule an appointment, then it should be done at least 6 business days before the scheduled exam time, since there are no charges for the cancellation. But if you fail to reschedule or cancel the appointment 24 hours before the scheduled time, then you will lose your money. So keep that in mind. That's very important. So what are the learning resources and preparation guides? So you can learn through Microsoft Learning Platform and also through Microsoft documentation. I will provide the link in the description box below. You can also check them out. They are free to learn. So there are also instructor-led training in the Microsoft Learning Platform, but they are paid. And there are also paid courses in Udemy, but I won't suggest you to go for the instructor-led training or paid courses because it is pretty easy certification. You can clear it in just 1 week with practice, practice and practice. There are also books and blogs and study groups available over the internet in which you can practice your learning. Also, there are thousands of videos on YouTube for the Azure AZ900. You can also find some resources there. Free Code Camp as a 3-hour video for Azure AZ900. You can also check it out. It is pretty good video. And the last most important is exam dumps. So guys, you will find exam dumps are the real exam questions that some people had like captured or uh, have prepared. So you can also refer them. They will surely help you, and you might get some questions in your exam also. So you have to prepare through exam dumps also. I will also provide the link for the exam dumps. You can also prepare through there from them. So let's move ahead on the next topic. So here I will show you my report card. Like I have scored cloud concepts, close core Azure services, core solution and management tools in Azure. I have scored pretty much good score on them. As you can see, in identity governance and Azure pricing and support, I have scored less marks compared to others. So guys, as I have told you, you need to prepare more for these three, and in the above three you can clear them with no issue. So what you have to do is practice, practice and practice. I have also provided some links. Do check it out in the description section. So guys, that's it for this video. If you had liked this video, then press the like button, share this video with friends, and also comment whatever you like, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. So that's it for this video. Goodbye.